You're welcome to today's video. Today I have this Nissan Leaf door that is falling apart. As you can see, it's falling apart and I want to fix it without taking all the door handle apart. What I did was to order another one for another Nissan car. So this is what I ordered. I've taken this apart. It came complete, but my intention is to just use this part that is broken. I hope it will be possible. Let's see. And the first thing to do is to take this out. Okay, this is out. Keep it where you will not lose it. And then no, what I want to do now is take this apart. That's too big. Okay, that's the right one. Allen key. It's not going to fall inside there because the mechanism will hold it. Okay, so I need my two hands. So it's out now. It's able to lose it, and the screw is still in there. Lose it. There's the cable holding it back. All I need to do now is pull this back. Okay. It didn't want to come out. I don't even want it to come out. So the next thing I'm going to do is lose this. I've taken out that bolt, that screw in there. So the next thing is to now take this apart carefully. Yes, I have it apart now, but there's still one more thing to do. I do not want to change this sensor, this antenna in here, because it will give me error code. So I'm not using the new one as it is. The next thing to do is take out that plastic remaining that broke off from this one. Take it off from there and then cover it with the new one. That's what I hope to do. I have the plastic out of it now. That's it on the that's it that's it right there. So the next thing is to grab the new one. This is the new one. And then carefully put it in. Uh-oh. I hope, okay. I thought it was not going to go in. Good. It's looking good. It's not sitting all the way in. Oh, man. I have the new one covering it right now, and everything is looking promising. Only that the problem that happened may repeat itself because this new plastic has a better groove. This groove and this other groove. That's what is holding it from sliding out when you pull it. Do I want to go to the stress of changing this plastic too? That will involve me getting this, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, if I need to, I'll still keep it. If I need to, I will change it. Oh, I have the new cover. That's the old cover. The new cover for the keyhole is on it. This is on it too. So to place it back, put it in position like this and then slide it forward. And that's it. It's locked in place. Okay. And then turn this one. To go back in. And then get your Allen key. Okay, that looks good. That saves a lot of time and a lot of headache. For someone who would like to do it the way I do it, I think it's easier and faster. Did it work? Yeah, it works. Thank you. If you like, let me know.